Welcome everyone back to the channel. It is Thursday, February 6th, I think. So yeah, today we are actually going to pull out these trees that we cut down yesterday. It stopped raining so far today. It's currently around 12:30, 1 o'clock. So yeah, we're going to get to it. We're going to hook up the chains and the tow straps to the tractor. I'm going to get some of these big ones out first, and then I'm going to hopefully be able to push some out. Try to avoid the stumps and everything that we created yesterday. It should be pretty interesting. It should be fun. It's a little bit chilly since it rained so much yesterday and today. So we're going to be dealing with that, but it is what it is. Tomorrow around noon, like lunchtime, we are going to go pick up our baby chickies. So that'll be really awesome. Can't wait to show that to y'all. There's a bunch of stuff happening in the future here, so I'm very excited to bring y'all along with us on that journey. This stuff is turning out so good. My fingers are cold though. Ooh, should have worn my gloves. But yeah, look at all this. Hopefully we'll be able to get enough of this out today so it'll look completely different. And then we'll start being able to clean it up some more. It's supposed to rain a bunch next week, so we might not be able to do our controlled burn, but it is what it is. We'll have other things to do, like deal with our chickens, and we're actually going to be picking up guinea hens next week to go with our chickens, so that'll be good. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the video. Thank y'all so much for all the comments and interactions on YouTube and Instagram. I appreciate it so much. It's so awesome to get to know y'all and everything like that, so stay tuned.
So yeah, I just started off today on the tractor. I had to push this out of the way. It ended up being two pretty medium-sized trees interwove with a bunch of vines. Vines are the uphill battle right now. Every time we drop a tree or we cut a branch, it just gets tangled up in vines. When we get our grapple for our tractor, it'll make it a lot easier because we can just grab it and then pull it. But right now, all we can use is the bucket and our hands to pull them out. It's kind of annoying, but it is what it is. So I just pushed it over to one of our burn piles. I took the base of that big tree that we fell yesterday, that real crooked one, out so I could get down in there and actually start building a brush pile in the hollow. You'll see me just pushing over the branches of that tree with the front of the bucket. And then yeah, I just go in there in four-wheel drive in Turtle, and I just start piling up all the trees and the branches and the brush that we cut down. Just working my way all the way through, making channels so we can actually get around it. And yeah, just making channels. Eventually I get enough out so that we can go in on foot and actually start picking up some of the small trees and small branches, the limbs, and building our brush pile more dense than I could do with the tractor. Yeah, you can push the edges inwards, but then you get a big gape or a big layer of a pocket of air, so your brush pile won't burn quick and evenly. So you wanna stack it pretty dense so that when you start it, it'll burn quickly and you can control it, and just take your time and be cautious about it. But this ground, this earth right here is super soft right now because there's a little spring that I found that's running towards our pond. So it's very moist. It's damp right now, especially since it's been raining. So I just had to be very cautious with the tractor. It wouldn't get stuck. You'll see later that I get it in some pretty good mud, but it never got stuck or anything like that. So to the right of the screen right now, you'll see those two trees. In a second, I actually make them fall into our burn pile, and it looks pretty cool. Just taking my time, being careful, making sure that I'm not going to damage our tractor or myself or the camera or anything like that. Just work cautiously, work effectively, and just don't give up. Yeah, it can be really sucky sometimes, especially being wet and cold, but just persevere, put your nose down, and just get your work done. And that's all you can hope for. just put it out.
Well, everyone, as you can see, I started opening this up, started pushing out some of the trees that we're going to keep. I need to cut these out and pull them out this way, but first I need to clear out this area. We're making a big burn pile right here so we can spread the ash in here eventually. I'm going to clean out all this stuff. Probably going to take the bucket and even out this a little bit today. Since it's so soft, it'll be easy to move. We're just gonna do some more work. Each and every time we come out here, it just changes so much. It's getting really good. But yeah, there's a few trees I want to keep for logs and stuff, so that's what we're about to do. Push them out, and then later on we can turn them into logs. But I'm gonna nip those off, pull those out, or push those out. Gonna organize this little pile a little bit some more, and then Devin and I are gonna pick up little trees and put them in there.
So yeah, I just started working my way from the inside out. You'll see this tree to my right now in the background. I'm about to work my way around it, and because I get it caught on this tree, so I have to use the front end of the bucket and actually balance it on the bucket, back it out some, and then I'm able to push it out. I wanted to save this tree. It's good for making logs out of to split for firewood. The bigger trees we went ahead and saved to make firewood out of, obviously. But the smaller ones we're just going to burn in our brush pile. But if they're big enough to, we have another project in the future that we're actually going to use them to grow some mushrooms. So that'll be a fun project to show everybody and delve in with and learn. We're learning new things each and every day that we practice. And we're learning things from the community that we're growing on here, on our Facebook page, on Instagram, doing research. So it's super exciting. You never stop learning, never stop growing. Just always try to learn something each day, or just to better yourself, or a project or anything like that. Just go out there and do something. That's the big takeaway, really, that we want to show people, is just getting out, learning something, doing something, and try to live happily. So thank y'all so much.
Well, everyone, as you can see, we have been busy. Devin's been pulling some of the small trees that we cut down and putting them in our burn pile. We made another burn pile, so that's like 6 so far on the property. But it is turning out so good. Holy crap. Probably gonna call it a day soon because it's getting really cold and it's super windy and the sky is about to fall. It's about to come down. But look at all this stuff, guys. Look at this. Got a little spring going on. But this will be really nice. Look at how open it is. Man, I'm super excited. So tomorrow is chicken day. Chicken. Look at over here. You can actually see through this now. You can see our other field. I'm gonna come out to the other side of it and see what it looks like, because I haven't looked. Oh man, that is crazy. All that right there will be burned. Those 2 big trees are gonna come out. We're gonna use those. But dang, son, that is crazy. That pile is gonna get burnt. I've got a bunch of little stuff we have to pick up. Logged up a big tree down there off camera. Trying not to show too much of the same stuff that we've been showing lately. But look at that. That has to be cleaned up a little. That's crazy. I'm super happy, super excited, super proud. It's a lot. A lot has changed. Got to drop some more big trees. Just not today. I am so cold. My hands are red from being so cold. Let's look. What? That is crazy. Sorry if it's super windy. Because it's windy right now. It's windy, it's cold, it's wet. It's just all around not fun. But I'm gonna go inside, eat a little bit, talk with my dad when he gets home about some stuff. Look at this. Look at that. I'm super excited. That is crazy. That's gonna be so cool. That's gonna look amazing. how nice and big those trees are now. You can actually see down into it. All that's gonna get burnt, and then we'll fold it into that hole that I've been working on. Oh man, this stuff is gorgeous. I hope y'all are excited. So many big things are happening in the future. So many big things are gonna happen in the next few weeks. Not even that far into the future. Wow. That's crazy. I'm super happy, super proud. Tractor put in work today. So yeah, look, you can see our pond. You can see our pond, holy crap. It's too windy to bring out the drone. Oh, now it's starting to rain. So maybe it's supposed to be sunny, I think tomorrow. So get the drone out. It's probably gonna be way too wet to burn, so we're not gonna do that till it dries for a while. But look at that. I'm gonna take some pictures and post them on Instagram. Our Instagram is Valley Farms. So if you see our videos and you want to follow us on Instagram, that's cool. If you found us from Instagram and you subscribed, thank you so much. Everybody who has already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. It makes the hard work worth it, because actually people are seeing it. So that is crazy. But that big pile right there will be burned and it'll be super open. So thank you so much for spending time with us. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed and you like our stuff, go ahead, watch our other videos, hit the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, because there will be daily videos. So thank y'all so much, and until tomorrow, get excited about our chickens because they're coming. See ya.